Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? I missed you so much. Today I'm back with you in a new math lesson, and this time it's about find part of a set. I guess many of you, because they read the title, they can guess how can they do it. Let's see. First of all, this is chapter 12, lesson 6, page 396, 397 in your textbook. And today our lesson is super sweet. We're gonna use Smarties. Let's see. First, let's know what are our objectives. What are we gonna learn today? You will be able to find a fractional part of a number or a set. I can divide the set into equal groups to solve it. Who remembers? When we divide a number into equal groups, what do we call this? I'm gonna ask you again later. I can make the division sentence to solve it. Let's go there. Now, I have this boy and girl, and they have these Smarties, and there is a question is telling, find quarter 1/4 or 1/4 of 12 Smarties. Now, he's asking, how can you do this? All right, to find 1/4 of 12. First of all, look at this 4. Look at this denominator. You have to divide the 12 Smarties into 4 pies. All right, first of all, find 1/4 of 12. So this is my whole number or the set number of the Smarties, right? And we want only 1/4 of it. So, before I go on, I want to remind you what is the meaning of pie. Pie, it's a group, all right? Now, if I want to make a group for pies, means 4 groups, I have to make how many groups? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, they are equal groups. Why? Because I said divide. Remember, when I divide, I have to be fair. I have to make equal groups. Next question you have to ask yourself, how many Smarties are in each pile? Again, to find 1/4 of 12, we made these 4 groups. Now, in each group, we have how many? Yes, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, in each group, we have 3 Smarties. Does this remind you about anything we studied before? We have the number of groups. We have a number in each group. Now I can make my multiplication sentence, which is 3 times 4 equals 12. All right? Now, if I know this multiplication sentence, what is the related fact for it? Remember, the car is going into the other way and we switch the operation. Let's see. Yes, if I know that 3 times 4 equals 12, it means that 12 divided by 4 equals 3, right? This is the 12, this is the 4, and we only have to find out the what now? Its name, the quotient. Let's move on. Let's have another example. We have another boy and girl, and they are discussing about the Smarties again, and they are asking this time, find 1/3 of 15 Smarties. How can you do this? She's asking. Now, to find 1/3 of 15, can you tell me what I have to do? Yes, I have to divide 15 into 3 piles. Let's do it. You have to make 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. Now, Smarty is asking, how many Smarties are in each pile? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 groups, and in each group, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm correct. I made 3 equal groups, and in each group I have 5. So now I can make my multiplication sentence. Since 5 times 3 equals 15, so what's my division sentence? Let the car go in the other way. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Alright, we have another couple here and they are asking another question about Smarties. This time, find 1/3 of 21 Smarties. How can you do this? Okay, who will tell me to find 1/3 of 21? What are we gonna do? You just care about these two numbers. We divide the 21 into 3 piles, into 3 equal groups. Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. How many Smarties are in each pile? Okay. Here are the equal groups again. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3. 1, 2, 3. In each one, there are how many? 7. 7. 7. So, since I know the number of groups and the number in each group, I can make my multiplication sentence. 7 times 3 equals 21. So, 21 divided by 3 equals? Yes, equals 7. I want you to go first through this video. Let's recall what we studied so far today. In this video, finding part of a set is solved by dividing the set into equal groups. Alright, so you will see how you can do it if you have the shapes. It will help you immediately to find out the answer like how we did now. But you know that we also learned that we can use the division sentence. At the end, Smarty gave us the division sentence to solve it directly. Think about it this way. Let me give you an example. If we want to find out 1/3 of 24 or 1/3 of 24, I said we care about these numbers. Let's talk about each thing in this sentence. What is the 3? This number is the number of groups. We call it divisor. What do we call it? Divisor. Of. This keyword means the division sign. 24. This number can be a set or a whole, which means number in all. We call it dividend. Okay, I have a dividend. I have my division sign. I have the divisor. What is missing? Yes, the quotient. So I can make my division sentence now. I always start with the dividend. Remember, in division, everyone has his own parking. No one can park as he wish, right? So we have 24 divided by 3, and this will equal 8. How do I know? You have to remember the multiplication of 3 and skip counting till you reach 8. Perfect. Now, let's move to the classwork, and this is going to be page 396, 397. I'm going to start doing from question 1 to 6. I will make with you question 2. We will solve these questions in the same way. Since we have the shape, we can use it. How? You don't need even to come up with the division sentence. I will show you. I will make with you question 2 as I said. This is question 2. Alright? We want to find out 1/4 of 16. Right? We said we care about these two numbers. Already, the shape is divided into 4 equal groups. All what I have to do is what? I have the number in all. I have the number of groups. What is missing? Yes, the number in each group. So the shape is already divided by equal groups. And what do we call this? Sharing, right? Now, so all what we have to do is to count the number in each group. And here we have how many circles in each group? 4 circles in each group. So if I want to make my division sentence, what can I say? Now the answer, I know that it is 4, but we can say that 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So even you don't want to make the division sentence, we can do it because we have already the shape. Alright, we can use it to find the answer immediately. I made with you number 2. Please try to make 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move on. I want you now to move to page 397 and you have to do from question 7 to 24. We will solve these questions in the same way. This time, we don't have the shape. So what do we have to do? I'm going to do with you question 24, all right? Now, find part of the number. Once you see this, what does it mean? As you see, I colored these words, part of. These are my key words to know that I have to, yes, I have to divide. We will divide the number by the denominator. Why we call it denominator? Because it's going to be down. Okay. This is question 24. 1/6 of 18. See, this is my denominator. This is my divisor. This is my division sign. This is my dividend. So, all what I have to do is start with what you end with, this number. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. Let's draw a rainbow. 18 divided by 6, and this will equal 3. How do we know that it's 3? Skip count by 6 until you reach 18 and you will know that it is 3. Alright. Again, this is the denominator. This is the number, which is the dividend. Excellent. And here is my answer. And what do we name the answer of the division? We name it what? Yes, excellent. Quotient. Okay, hope everything was clear. Our homework is going to be page 150. You will do all the page. Kindly do it, except question 18. Question 18 is excluded. Don't do it, okay? Just do from 1 till 17. I hope everything was easy. You make my heart floss. I love you all. I promise it's so sweet and it is super duper easy. Bye.